Hello, my all beautiful ladies. I am Tanurima and you are watching my YouTube channel. My channel is all about three things: beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And today I'm back again with another video. If you like my videos and if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video, then please like and share. Today's video all about some products that is are all quite quick review on that products that I purchased from Nykaa, and I really love that product, and I will recommend you what I loved that product and what I am using in these days. Saw some videos and some reviews on these products, and I after watching these reviews and on these products, I really decided to that I need that product, so I bought this. So this product is none other than Garnier Micellar Water. I hope that you can see Garnier Micellar Water. There is written on this packaging. The packaging is the packaging is really very good, and it's a plastic bottle, and the cap is pink color. I really love this baby pink color, and you have to open the top like this. So, and the micellar water, there is written that it removes makeup, cleanses, soothes, and no rinse of face, eyes, lips, no added fragrance, no alcohol. This amazing of this product about this product is this is the no alcohol product, and no alcohol product is alcohol free product is really very good for all type of skin, and it's don't harm your skin. So I will definitely recommend you to buy this product, and I am using this product nowadays. So it's amazing, and it's removes makeup so quickly. You don't need to rub, you don't need to anything. Just you need a cotton ball, and pour this product on cotton ball, and you have to just like dab on your skin and on your eye makeup or on your lipstick. Just wash up, just like one swatches is really amazing to remove your all makeup. After washing your face, you can also use this product to cleanse your all darts from your pores. And the price of this product is 175 only, and we are getting 125 of ml of this product, and there is written on this product is 125 ml is equal to 60 uses, but I don't think that is only you can use this 60 uses. And this is a small package. If you want to buy bigger one, then you can buy also. There is also available this bigger one. I bought it from Nykaa, so I will link it down below. You can check it. Then the next product is I saw some videos on serums. I really loved about serum, so I saw some serums. So I want to buy some kind of serums. So I am what kind of person that is I need some product that is really very good for your skin, but the price is not so high. I am not that kind of person who loves high end products. So there is the solution for all middle class people who don't who like me, sorry, who are like me. Product is Skin Logic's whitening fairer serum, night serum. This is amazing. Who have oily skin, they can use this product because it's really very matte kind of, and the serums like blend with your skin and vanish on your skin just in seconds. It's really amazing. It's really amazing, and there is written on this packaging is for fairer and flawless skin, advanced night repair skin serum with rice protein, and the net volume is 25 ml. A product from Richfield, and Richfield the beauty expert. This is a Skin Logic whitening serum, and the serum's price is 269 only. It's really I think that it's as a serum, this the price is really reasonable. If you like if you want to buy some serums, you can try this, and it's really amazing. I am using this nowadays night serum, so it's really amazing. The packaging is really good. You can see this is like that. So this is the product you can see, and this is made by heavy glasses, and there is a dropper kind of thing that you can use your product with this dropper, but the consistency of this product is really thick, so the dropper can't use you can't use this properly because of the consistency of this product. But overall the product is really good, but I don't like the heavy glasses bottle, because it can't travel with this easily travel with these products. But it's but average, I will give this product a thumbs up, and I will recommend this product. Who wants to buy, you can check comment box. I really amazing. You can check comment box. So comment box, it's not like comment box, you can check this. I will link it down. I also bought this product from Nykaa, and I really love this product, and I say that price, and it's really really amazing. I will all I will definitely recommend you who have. And the next product is also, I love this product, and the price of this product is quite reasonable. I also in Bengali there is one like statement that I always follow, and I always like this statement, that there is, I always find shostai pushtikar. That means the all products I need, but on your budgets. That is, I need some good product on good on like cheap budget. So that's all mine. Shostai pushtikar jinish. It's for me also, and whoever have this madhyabitto middle class mind like me, they can watch my video. I will uploaded some products that is really really amazing, but the price is really reasonable. The next product is Blue Heaven Kajal. It's really amazing. I lost the packet of this product because I really love this product, so I threw it. And I love this kajal. I loved about this kajal is the packaging. You can see how much good the package, and the price of this product. I hope the price of this product is 124 or that kind of, and there is a sale on Nykaa, and I bought it Nykaa from at 108, that kind of 108, yes, 108. So, and the pack, you can see there is that like twister. You can open, you have to open this like that, and the product is like that. You can see there is lots of kajal, and the qualities, this is made by plastic, and there is a applicator. I really love that. There is a applicator, there is a brush that you can use this kajal, and there is a small diamond on it. I really love that. You can see I really really love that product. I really love that product. I'm in love on this product. I really fall in love with this product. And swatches, this is a just gold and kajal. I really love this product. You can use it, and you can buy this product, but I must say that is not so long lasting. I honestly, that is not so long lasting product, but I bought this product because of its packaging, and the quantity of this kajal really good. If you need a kajal, good kajal to use as a kajal, not as an eyeliner, so you can buy this product just to use this product as kajal. I also use this product as a kajal. I also use this kajal as eyeliner, but on but before using this kajal, I would line up with eyeliner, with by Lakme or any eyeliner, any liquid eyeliner, and therefore I just draw a line with this kajal on over the liner, because it's looks so black and so like prominent. It gives you a really prominent line to after using this kajal over your eyeliner. It's really amazing, and I love this packaging. I told you that I really love with this packaging, so I use this product honestly. But it's not so long lasting. I'm repeating, that is not so long lasting, so you can use this product as per your choice. I will just not recommending you this product. It's your choice to use or not. And the next thing that is really amazing, this product is really amazing, but the price of this product is not so amazing as per my uh, thought. Shosai Pushtikar, that is not for not kind that kind of product, Shosai Pushtikar. And the product is Master Strobing Cream by Face Studio, Maybelline New York, and it's amazing product. But it's amazing product. This is actually a strobing cream, but it's you can use this product as highlighter. I really love this product, and the price of this product 650 or 700 like that. You can purchase it from Nykaa. I purchased from Nykaa, so I will link it down below. And the amount of this product is 18 ml, but it's are really amazing because you need a small amount of product to use to highlight. And just showing you the small bit of product I just, there is like I'm showing it on my face. You can see just small dot on my nose. You can see how much glow on my nose. I hope you can see. This is really amazing, and the product's quality is really very good, and it's not so glittery. It's smoothing your skin, and it's blend with your skin so well, with your makeup so well. And I love this product to highlight. And, the shade is nude. One thing that the shade is nude, and it's amazing, and it's highlight my face really fast. And you can, I hope that you can see that product. And this is chotto, small packing. There is really like that. And I will recommend you, this is not a so cheap product, but it's a good quality product, and this price is worth it really, to worth buying. This is a worth buying product. I really love this product. You can buy this product. But that is all about the product. And the last not the least, the product is rose water, the Face Shop rose water daily perfumed hand cream. I really love this product because I have some problem. I will not recommend you this product because it's my personal choice, and I have some problem on my, I really need a hand cream because after some time frequently my hands going so dry, and I need a cream to that moisturize and hydrate my hands, that can be hydrate my hands very fast. That cream is really not so hydrating, but it's not so it feels so light and so smooth on your hands. I will recommend you, whoever have some kind of problem. The price of this product is 300, but there's a sale on Nykaa, and I bought it from Nykaa. So that product was I got it from Nykaa at 270. And the quantity is 30 ml, and it smells so amazing, and it's really light smell. I really love this smell. And it's a rose smell, rose water, but it smells so light and so like it's amazing. And I'm showing the consistency of this product. you need a small amount of this product. I don't need big amount. I don't need a big amount of this product. You need a small amount product. It's amazing, just for like hands, and it's amazing. I really love this product, and it smooths your hands so amazingly. I need this product and I always carry this product. So it's all about today's video, and I hope that you like that video, and that is all recommendation from me, what you want to buy, what you need to buy or not. So that's all. Product number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, the 5 products I reviewed today. So I'm really happy for sharing with this product, you guys, because I really love to shop, and I hope that you will like that products. If you have any queries or any question, then you can ask me on comment section below. And if you like my video, then please thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.